A royal welcome from the country's ruler, Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed. The country is seeking new business partnerships, and this oil-rich Gulf nation can become a strategic partner, particularly in light of the Eurozone crisis and poor economic growth prospects. South Africa may now be able to export horses and red meat to the UAE. The Emirates imposed the ban in 2004 during an outbreak of foot and mouth disease.
Some technicalities that are involved with the question of banning the horses, which was based on an old kind of thing that had happened in terms of the sickness of the horses, which is no longer there, as well as the meat, the red meat. I think we are going to resolve those matters as well.
An agreement has been reached on a new automotive assembly plant that will be set up in South Africa. This is likely to create hundreds of jobs.
What we have managed to do is to have an agreement where we will assemble certain equipments and products in South Africa for the South African market, but also be able to export them. And from that point of view, we're now responding in the most practical of senses to the call for industrialization, localization, and the creation of jobs.
Bilateral relation between UAE and South Africa is really good, but we need to improve that. There is always a way to improve. And I hope our business people and the business people from South Africa will have a way to improve that.
Agreements have also been reached on defense and the establishment of a joint commission to further enhance relations. The visit to the UAE seems to have succeeded in cementing relations between the two countries. Now the focus shifts to neighboring Oman, where a possible multi-million rand joint fund will be set up to boost investments. Mzwandile Mbeje, SABC News, Abu Dhabi in the UAE.